Good morning. I'm Peter Milios from the Finance News Network. US shares rose on Monday, led by the tech sector, which pushed the Nasdaq to a new record ahead of this week's 4th of July holiday. The tech-heavy Nasdaq finished 0.83% higher to finish at a record close. The S&P 500 closed 0.27% higher, and the Dow Jones finished 0.13% higher. Tech heavyweights Microsoft and Amazon each added more than 2%, while Apple jumped 2.9%. AI giant Nvidia closed 0.6% higher, despite a report from Reuters that the company is poised to be charged with anti-competitive practices by French antitrust regulators. Among smaller cap techs, Dell, Zscaler, Broadcom, CrowdStrike, and Palantir were at least 2% higher. However, AMD, ARM, Pinterest, and Uber were at least 2% lower. Cruise operator stocks were under pressure as Hurricane Beryl made landfall in the Caribbean as a Category 4 storm. Carnival slid 5.4% and Royal Caribbean lost nearly 1.9%. US Treasury yields jumped higher, with the 10-year yield trading around the 4.5% level as traders see an increasing probability for a Republican win in November, with Donald Trump threatening to impose tariffs which could dent growth. Benchmark 10-year note climbed 13 basis points to 4.471%, and the 2-year Treasury yield rose 4 basis points to 4.762%. The market will be closed on Thursday for the 4th of July. However, investors will be looking to Friday for the June jobs report, which will give an indication of the state of the jobs market. Turning to US sectors, following the strong tech results, the best performing sector was technology, which finished 1.3% higher. The worst performer was materials, which closed down 1.55%. In European news, French stocks rallied more than 1% after right-wing parties won a lower than expected percentage of votes in Sunday's first round of parliamentary voting in France. In Asian news, China's central bank plans to intervene in bond markets due to a rally, lowering borrowing costs to a 20-year low. The People's Bank of China announced it would borrow sovereign bonds from primary traders soon. The yield on China's 10-year government bond dropped to 2.18%, the lowest since 2002. In commodities news, Fitch Solutions BMI stated that the lithium market has entered a new normal period of stability due to a rapidly expanding global supply, which has already pushed the market into surplus. The head of BMI Commodities stated that lithium prices will remain below the peaks of 2022 and 2023 for at least 5 to 10 years. Looking ahead to the Australian market, the SPI futures are pointing to a 0.3% fall. Thank you for listening and have a great day.